Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on TikTok apps. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and then in here you just click on your profile at the bottom in here, and then in here you just click on three lights icon at the top, this one, click on it, and in here you just click on setting and privacy, and then click, and in here you can swipe down until you can see a free up space. You can click on it, and then in here you can click in here you can see cache. This is the cache, but if you wanna delete or clear the cache, you just click on the clear cache in here, click on it, and click clear. And finish. So that's how to clear cache on TikTok's application. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.